viewers, welcome to my channel tadka.com. Once again I'm back with my new recipes. Today everyone is busy in doing yoga, doing exercise because International Yoga Day is approaching. So I was thinking whether you are aware of what you have to eat, what you have to drink after your yoga sessions, after your workout sessions. So I'm here to share with you some healthy tips and some healthy drinks which you can have after your workout sessions, because while doing workouts our body loses lot of water in the form of sweat, so we have to keep our body hydrated, and these two juices which I'm going to prepare will help you to keep your body hydrated. So let's start our dish, and first in the queue is cumin juice. So cumin water, it's a simple recipe. What you need are cumin seeds, and this size of glass is required. 1 glass is sufficient for one person. I am taking this juice for one person only. So I am going to add 2 glasses of water to container. Here is 1 glass of water. I am adding to the container. And this is the second glass of water. Now switch on the flame. Now what you will do, you have to add 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds in this water. 2 teaspoons. Now this water, we have to wait to boil this water, and when it reduces to half, then we will strain it. So it is boiling. हमें वेट करना है जब तक कि हाफ नहीं हो जाता, और इसे आप ढक के पकाएंगे जिससे इसके न्यूट्रिएंट्स रिमूव ना हो जाएं, वो अंदर ही रहें, स्टीम के साथ ना रिमूव हो जाएं. एंड वन थिंग मोर, cumin is also a great ingredient which gives you iron. It is rich in iron. It helps you to balance your cholesterol. It solve your digestive problems. So it has lot of health benefits. So that's why you can also try it. So now it's done. Half हो गया. Flame बंद कर देंगे and we will strain it. Take this strainer and strain your juice. You can add little bit of salt in it if you want to add on taste. This is your cumin juice. And nowadays, as corona is also prevailing, you can add some fresh basil leaves, or tulsi, what we call in common language tulsi. We can add to it. Have this drink. Now the second one is aloe vera juice. All are aware of it. So here is the aloe vera leaf. Here is the fresh aloe vera leaf जो मैंने अपने ही एक प्लांट से ली है. अब इसका जो ये ग्रीन सब्सटेंस है, जो ग्रीन मटेरियल है, ये आप रिमूव करेंगे. पहले से अच्छे से वॉश करेंगे, जो मैंने कर लिया. अब इसे आप रिमूव करेंगे. ये इस तरह इसमें जो ये साइड में जो ये कांटे हैं, ये थॉर्न्स हैं, ये आप रिमूव करेंगे लाइक दैट. दिस वे रिमूव इट प्रॉपर्ली. From the back side also you have to remove. ये ग्रीन सब्सटेंस अच्छे से रिमूव हो जाना चाहिए. ये टॉक्सिक होता है. इट्स नॉट गुड फॉर अवर हेल्थ. Here is our aloe vera gel.
ये आपको अच्छे से पानी में डाल के वॉश करना है। वॉश इट प्रॉपर्ली एंड नाउ यू हैव टू ग्राइंड इट। मिक्सी में ऐड करेंगे अपने मिक्सर जार में और इसे ग्राइंड करेंगे। While grinding it, you have to add a little piece of ginger in it. इसको एक अच्छा टेस्ट भी देता है और इसकी न्यूट्रिटिव वैल्यू को और एनहेंस करता है। It's done. और अगर ये ग्राइंड ना हो, you can add little bit of water in it. Here is our gel, aloe vera gel and ginger. Now our gel is ready. तो अब क्या करना है? Take 1 glass of water. There is a glass of water. Why I am using such kind of glass? Because this size is sufficient for 1 person. So that's why I am preferring this size. Add 2 teaspoons of gel in it. Here is it. Now to add more taste to it, I am going to add honey to this juice and little bit of lemon juice, lemon water. All these ingredients are healthy. Lemon juice has vitamin C that is good for your health, and if you are a diabetic patient, you can skip honey from this recipe. So here are our 2 hydrated drinks, 2 healthy drinks.
Bye viewers, hope you like these healthy juices and have it after your workout session or after your yoga session on 21st June. So and please subscribe my channel. Bye viewers.